Martin, where are you? Hello, Martin. Now, in his answers to my research questions, Martin said, and I quote, "I'm a massive Doctor Who nerd." Now, that has nothing to do with this question. I just thought you all should know. Question 13 is actually this. Which of the following was the first character created by Roger Hargreaves in his Mr. Men series of children's books? Was it A, Mr. Tickle, B, Mr. Bump, C, Mr. Noisy, or D, Mr. Hall? So, which of those was the very first character in his book, the Mr. Men series of books?